Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello everyone. Today we're going to look at a conversation at a neighborhood donut shop. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between two neighbors and a donut shop worker. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. Why do coffee and donuts always go together in America? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Good morning, Ken.
Good morning, Ellie. Right on time as always.
Of course. It's Saturday morning. You know I always come at 9.
That's true. We have been doing this for months now.
I think it started back in the spring. Every Saturday, we walk to Sunrise Donuts.
Coffee and donuts. It's a nice way to start the weekend.
It's simple, but I never get tired of it.
Same here. I never get tired of it either.
It really is. Have we done this 10 times or 12?
I'm not sure, but it feels like we've always done this.
Same here. It's strange how a simple morning walk can become part of your week.
It really is. I get excited about it every single Friday night.
Me too. I even set an alarm for Saturday morning just for this.
The weather looks good today too. Clear sky, not too much wind.
I hope it stays this nice all morning.
Me too. Rainy Saturdays are just not the same.
Perfect walking weather. Are you ready to go?
Yes, let's go. I have a small question for you, actually.
Okay, what is it?
Well, every time we order, we always get coffee with our donuts. Coffee and donuts together. Why is that?
That's a good question. I never really thought about it.
Me neither, until today. It's just something people always do.
You're right. I always thought it was just a normal pair, like bread and butter or milk and cookies.
Maybe there's a real reason behind it. Maybe not. Maybe it's just a habit.
I don't know. Let's think about it while we walk.
Sounds good to me. Maybe the answer will come to us on the way.
Or maybe Leo at the shop has a fun story about donuts.
That's true. He usually knows a lot about the donuts there.
Come on, let's go. The donuts are waiting for us, and so is our coffee.
Right behind you. Let's not keep them waiting any longer.
Should we take the short path through the park or the long way past the school?
Let's take the long way today. It's such a nice morning.
Good idea. I like walking past the school. It's quiet on Saturdays.
It really is. No kids, no noise, just birds and fresh air. The air feels nice this morning. Not too cold, not too warm.
I agree. Saturday mornings are my favorite time of the week.
Look, Mrs. Parker is watering her flowers again.
She does that every single morning, rain or shine.
True. Her garden always looks amazing because of that.
It really does. I should ask her for some tips one day.
You should. So, do you like your job during the week?
I do, but I really wait for my coffee break every day.
Coffee break? Tell me more about that.
At my office, we stop working for 15 minutes in the morning. We drink coffee and talk.
That sounds nice. Where does that idea come from?
Actually, I read about this once. Coffee breaks became common at workplaces in the United States many years ago.
Really? I never thought about where it came from.
Yes, in the early 1900s, workers in factories had short breaks during the day. They drank coffee to feel awake again.
That makes sense. Factory work must have been very tiring back then.
It was. The coffee helped them stay awake and finish their long workdays.
I see. So other workers saw this and did the same thing.
Exactly. Soon, offices across the United States had coffee breaks too.
That's interesting. A short break with coffee helps people work better.
It does. Even now, my whole team stops for coffee at the same time every day.
Do you all talk about work or just other things?
Mostly other things, actually. Our families, the weather, weekend plans.
That sounds like a nice way to take a break from the day.
It really is. Actually, I think our Saturday walk is like my coffee break too.
What do you mean?
It's a nice break from my busy week. I can relax and talk with a good friend.
I like that idea. This walk is our own little coffee break.
Exactly. Now let's hurry. I can already smell the donuts from here.
Me too. Let's walk a little faster.
Good morning. Welcome to Sunrise Donuts. What can I get for you today?
Good morning, Leo. Can I have 2 coffees, please? 1 black, 1 with milk and sugar.
Sure thing. Large or medium today?
Medium is fine for both, thank you.
Got it. And how about some donuts?
Yes, please. 2 chocolate donuts with sprinkles on top and 1 cruller.
Great choice. Those chocolate donuts are very popular this morning.
They look wonderful. I love all the little sprinkles on top.
Oh, did you know some people don't call them sprinkles?
Really? What do they call them?
Some people in the northeastern United States, like in Boston or Philadelphia, call chocolate sprinkles jimmies.
Jimmy's? I've never heard that word before.
It's a fun old word. Not everyone uses it, but some people in not part of the country still say it.
That's interesting. I always just say sprinkles.
Most people do. It's just a small local word from that region.
Do you know why they call it that?
I'm not really sure. Nobody seems to know the full story. It's just an old nickname.
That's funny. A donut can have so many little stories behind it.
It really can. This shop has been open for almost 30 years, and I still learn new things.
30 years? That's wonderful. No wonder the donuts taste so good.
Thank you. We use the same recipe from when the shop first opened.
Well, thank you for teaching me something new today, Leo.
Happy to help. Do you want a bag for the donuts or a small box?
A small box, please. It's easier to carry to our table.
Good idea. Here you go. I put a napkin inside too.
Thank you. That's very kind of you.
Of course. That will be $6.25, please.
Here you go. Keep the change.
Thank you very much. Enjoy your coffee and donuts.
We will. Have a good day, Leo.
You too. See you next Saturday, maybe?
Most likely, yes. We never miss a Saturday.
Here you go. 2 coffees and 3 donuts.
Perfect. Thank you for finding us a good table by the window.
Of course. I like watching people walk by while we eat.
Me too. Oh, look at this one. It has a fun, twisted shape.
You mean this one? It's called a cruller. I always think the name sounds funny.
It does sound a little funny, but do you know where the name comes from?
No, I don't. Do you know?
I read about it once. The name comes from an old word that means to curl or twist.
That fits the shape well. Look, it really is twisted, like a curl.
Exactly. That's why people started calling it a cruller.
That makes sense. The name matches the shape perfectly.
It does. I think it's one of the most interesting donuts here.
The chocolate donuts are sweet, but this one is really special.
I agree. It looks almost like a small piece of art.
Maybe we shouldn't eat art then.
I think it's okay just this one time.
Should we share it?
Yes, let's cut it in half. You take this side, I'll take the other.
Sounds fair to me. This coffee is really good today, by the way.
It is. Sunrise Donuts always make strong, hot coffee.
That's one more reason I love our Saturday mornings.
Me too. Try the cruller now. Tell me what you think.
It's soft inside and a little crispy outside. I like it a lot.
See? It has a nice mix of soft and crispy parts.
Good one. I might say that myself next time.
Look outside. The street is getting busier now.
It is. More people are walking to work or maybe to the market.
I like sitting here and watching everyone start their day.
Me too. It makes our slow Saturday morning feel even better.
Should we order one more coffee before we leave?
Maybe in a few minutes. Let's finish this cruller first.
So, Ken, remember your question from this morning?
My question? Oh, right. About coffee and donuts always going together.
Yes, I thought about it while we were walking, and I actually remember something now.
Really? Tell me.
I heard that the pair became more popular during World War I.
During the war? That's surprising.
Yes, some women from a group called the Salvation Army went to France to help the soldiers there.
What did they do exactly?
They made hot coffee and fresh donuts for the soldiers near the fighting.
That sounds like hard work. They were not afraid to do it.
It was. People started calling these women donut lassies.
Donut lassies. That's a nice name. What does lassie mean?
It's an old word for a young woman, so the name really means donut girls.
That's sweet. I can imagine them helping the soldiers.
The coffee and donuts made the soldiers feel better. Their days were very hard.
I can understand that. Good food can really help people feel strong again.
After the war, soldiers came home. They still wanted their coffee and donuts together.
So that's when coffee and donuts became more popular as a pair.
Exactly. And now there's even a special day for donuts.
A special day? When is it?
In the United States, it's called National Donut Day. It happens on the first Friday of June every year.
I didn't know that. So our little breakfast has a long history behind it.
It really does. It's not just food. It's a small tradition that started with kindness.
I like that. A simple act of kindness became something people still enjoy today.
It's a nice thought, isn't it? A cup of coffee and a donut can mean a lot.
You know, our Saturday morning walk feels like a tradition too, now that I think about it.
I think so too. A small, happy habit just for us.
I like that word, habit. It fits us perfectly.
Every habit has to start somewhere, I guess. Maybe ours will have its own little story one day.
Maybe someone will write about the Sunrise Donut Saturday Walkers.
I would read that story.
Well, that was another great Saturday morning.
It really was. The coffee was hot and the donuts were fresh.
And now I finally know the history behind them too.
Yes, you learned something new today.
Should we walk home the same way we came?
Sure, let's take the long way. It's still early.
Good idea. The sun feels nice right now.
It does. This is my favorite part of the whole week.
Mine too, honestly. It's more than just breakfast to me.
What do you mean?
Well, it's our time together, just the two of us, every Saturday.
I feel the same way. It's not only about the coffee and donuts.
Right, it's about walking together and talking like this.
Some weeks are busy and hard, but Saturday morning always feels calm.
I agree. No matter what happens during the week, this stays the same.
It's nice to have something like that.
It really is. I think that's why I get so excited about it.
So, same time next Saturday?
Of course, 9 o'clock, right in front of my house.
Perfect. I'll be there, just like always.
And we'll go straight to Sunrise Donuts again.
Some things should never change.
I agree completely. Maybe next week Leo will teach us another new word.
I hope so. I like learning something new with my coffee.
There's my street. I guess this is where we say goodbye for now.
Yes, but only until next Saturday. This street feels like the start of a good week.
It really does. Thank you for another wonderful morning, Ellie.
Thank you too, Ken. These Saturdays mean a lot to me.
They mean a lot to me as well. I hope we do this for many more years.
I hope so too. Some habits are good to keep forever.
See you next Saturday, Ellie.
See you then, Ken. Have a good rest of your day.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. Why do coffee and donuts always go together in America? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English, with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.